Good morning, everyone. I'm Suyebur Rahman, and I'm proud to lead our group today as we present our case study on HSBC, Artificial Intelligence in Fraud Detection and Risk Analytics. Our team consisting of Sumaiya, Habiba, Raihan, and Mahmuda, and myself has conducted a deep dive into how artificial intelligence is reshaping banking security. We are submitting this for our Masters of Research in AI in Business, specifically for Dr. Farouk Missi. Let's move on to the business context. To understand the solution, we first need to define the problem. If we look at the business context, HSBC being a global banking giant, processes millions of transactions every single day. The core issue they faced was that their traditional fraud detection methods were simply too slow. They were manual, reactive, and often overwhelmed by the volume of data. This created two major risks. First is financial losses, and the second is the regulatory breaches. Financial losses, such as fraudsters were stealing money faster than the bank would catch them, and regulatory breaches, such as the bank risked fines for the failing to stop money laundering. There was an urgent need for a system that was real-time and accurate. I will now hand over to Sumaiya to explain the technical solution HSBC implemented.
Thank you, Shoaib. In this part, I'm going to discuss about the technical solution. To visualize how the system changed, please look at this comparison diagram. On the left is the manual process. It was linear and inefficient. A transaction would occur, data was collected, and then it hit a rule-based screening. This often led to multiple stages of human review, causing delays before any resolution was reached. Now, look at the AI-enabled processes on the right. It is streamlined and automated. Step 2 is now real-time data ingestion. Step 4 utilizes AI model analysis to instantly understand the context of a transaction. This leads to step 6, where we have automated actions. Low-risk transactions are auto-approved instantly, while only the complex causes are sent to humans. This is a massive shift in efficiency. And the second part, I'm going to discuss about AI tool overview. This system takes three inputs: transaction data, customer profiles, and device information. This feed into an AI code that uses four distinct technologies. First one is machine learning to detect unusual patterns, and the second one is predictive analytics to anticipate fraud before it happens. And the third one is behavioral analytics to understand customer habits. Now, Habiba will discuss the next part.
Thank you, Sumaiya. As the financial analytics lead for this group, I analyzed the tangible value of this system. We identified 5 key benefits. First one, real-time monitoring. We now have visibility of transactions. The second, they occur. Increased accuracy, we are blocking fewer genuine customers while catching more fraud. Reduced manual workload, our staff are no longer drowning in paperwork. They focus only on high-risk alerts. Fourth one, regulatory compliance. The AI automations the audit trails required by law. Last one, financial loss prevention. Ultimately, this system saves the bank millions in prevented thefts. On the next slide, the data tells a compelling story. Please focus on the impact on performance. The graph on the right shows a steady reduction in fraud from 2023 to 2025. This downward trend proves the system is working. On the other hand, the bar chart below shows an operational efficiency boost. You can see the while manual reviews have gone down, the speed of faster approvals has gone up. This proves that HSBC has successfully shifted to proactive fraud management. We are prioritizing risk intelligently rather than just reacting to them. I will now pass to Raihan to discuss the ethical framework governing this system.
Thank you, Habiba. Now I'm going to discuss about ethics, legal, and societal implication. As high performance is meaningless if it isn't ethical. We analyze the system through the ethics, legal, and societal Venn diagram you see here. Ethically, the main challenge is balancing detection with privacy. We must ensure that AI isn't intrusive and minimize false positive that lock people out of their funds. Legally, we must strictly adhere to GDPR for data privacy and AML anti-money laundering regulation. Societally, while AI improved security, we noted our need for caution against over-reliance on AI. Humans must remain in the loop. As the next slide, shifting to how we manage this project, we adopted a structured team approach. As you can see in the table, we divided tasks by expertise to ensure a comprehensive analysis. Suyebur handled the AI research, Sumaiya covered financial analytics, Habiba focused on risk, and I, Raihan, covered ethics, and Mahmuda coordinated the team. We had weekly review sessions to align our findings, ensuring the technical and ethical parts of our presentation supported each other. Mahmuda will now conclude with our challenge and key learning.
Thank you, Raihan. So now we are going to look at the key learning. Our key learning from this case study is visualized here. AI is the central light bulb, but it relies on three things to shine: efficiency, governance, and ethics. We learned that technology without strategy is not sustainable. Next, we are going to talk about the practical and ethical challenges. However, implementation was not easy. We identified three major challenges represented by this triangle: speed versus accuracy. It is a constant battle to make the system fast without missing fraud. Algorithmic bias. We must actively prevent the AI from learning discriminatory patterns from historical data. Global compliance. Ensuring the system follows the laws of multiple different countries simultaneously is a massive operational hurdle. Next, the team collaboration reflection. Briefly reflecting on our collaboration. We worked effectively by dividing responsibilities by strengths and coordinating our scripts, just like we are doing now. This allowed us to combine technical, ethical, and practical insights into one cohesive story. Next, here are the references. We are utilizing the Harvard style of referencing in our research. This brings us to the end of our presentation on HSBC's AI journey. We hope you found it insightful. Thank you for your time.
Thank you, everyone.
Thank you. Thank you for your time.
Well, now let's move on to the group reflective discussion. One key takeaway from this project is that AI is a powerful enabler for efficiency and decision making. But technology alone isn't enough. HSBC's example shows that strategy, governance, and monitoring are just as important to ensure artificial intelligence works effectively and responsibly. Now, Sumaiya will discuss the inside of the AI in business.
In this part, AI in business, we also learned that AI transforms decision making by providing real time insights. But adopting AI responsibly is crucial. Frameworks for ethics and governments make sure the technology is sustainable, trusted, and aligned with societal expectations. Now, my friend Habiba will discuss the next part, ethical and practical challenges.
Okay. While analyzing HSBC, we noticed practical challenges like balancing speed, various accuracy in fraud detection, and mitigating algorithmic basis. We also saw the complexity of meeting regulatory requirements across multiple countries. These challenges highlighted the importance of oversight and continuous improvement. Now move on to Raihan and Mahmuda. They will talk about team collaboration and coordination.
We divided tasks based on our strength and held weekly meeting to review progress and align our content. So, Mahmuda, what's your opinion on our team collaboration?
Well, this approach helped us combine technical, ethical, and practical insights effectively. Working together allowed us to address challenges smoothly and present a coherent professional analysis.
Thank you.
Thank you.